I'm Chris,
and we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to bring you a little cool tutorial. Very simple, it'll be a short video on how to do this. If you have them, great. So last year during Christmas, we bought the 13-inch Home Depot
Christmas bulbs.
Christmas bulbs, yeah. And we hung them on a cable running from the building to the house, and we bought Govee lights and put inside of them. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can go to our YouTube channel and you'll find that on here also. So what we're going to do is these are the white Walmart pumpkins that they're selling, if you can find them. So
like $1.98.
Yeah, $1.98 I think is what they was. So what we're doing is we're going to cut a hole in the bottom. We unscrew the bulbs, and then we will put it up inside of it, screw the bulb back on it, zip tie it to it, and when we get done, this is what it's going to look like. So let's get started.
So if you have your Christmas lights, drag them out and they'll already be up and ready for Christmas.
Yeah, and you could also use different types of hanging lights. If you had some of the like patio lights that the bulb hangs down, you could actually zip tie these up on it and do the same thing and not even cut a hole in it. Maybe just cut a hole for water. When it rains, it would run out of it.
Yep.
So, but I'll show you how I'm going to do this, and it's pretty simple. So I've already cut one just to see where I need to do it at. And just make sure you're very careful and don't cut yourself, because these pumpkins are thin and that knife will
slip.
Yep. So I'm kind of not pulling too hard on it and just kind of sawing it a little bit. Yeah, and right there around the seams is kind of hard. You just got to be careful and don't squeeze it too much, because you'll bust it once you cut this. But they'll probably last a couple years, so hell, depending on how many you got. Most of the lights I think's got 12 on them, I think. So it costs you about $25 to do this if you already have the lights. And you could probably use the orange one if you wanted to, if you have patio lights that turn white or multicolor that go white, and just light them up orange. We wanted the white one so we could have it do purple and orange and different colors. And I'll tell you right now, if you do it, they ain't got to be perfect because it's on the bottom, but roughly about 3/4 to 1 inch around the bottom ring is what I cut out. And then what I'll do is unscrew this. And as you can see, I had already in the other video cut notches, had my lights in it, and then zip tied it to the cable. And then all I'm going to do is do this, and when I screw the bulb in it, it will hold it on, and then we'll zip tie it up. Well, and that one I had to cut a little more out of. Jen didn't keep me straight cutting.
I guess you have the option too that if you didn't want to put the bulb back on it, you wouldn't have to.
Well, no, I guess you, well, I don't know how that would have worked, but well, like I said, you if you didn't use these, but yeah, you could just zip tie it underneath those plastic pieces there if you didn't want to. But I think it looks cool because the bulb's gonna stick out the bottom of it and almost give the effect. Looks like a ghost with a little tail there, almost ghost pumpkin or something. Just something different. We're trying to get ready for a Halloween party. And then I just screw that back on. So if you have these, great idea.
And with the Govee lights, you can actually change them to any colors. But right now we just got orange.
Yep.
And this will be over our pumpkin patch.
Yeah, and I'm trying to make sure, depending on how they lay, I'm trying to make sure they lay the same way. That way they're facing the road. And give me the zip tie. And we just bought cheap dollar store zip ties, or Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. We have to.
And then I'm just going to cut that leftover zip tie off. And there you go. That'll be hanging across our middle of our pumpkin patch here to the driveway.
So we have it going up and then it hangs over.
Yes. And what we'll do is I'm going to do the rest of them, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we get done. All right, guys. So we got them put up. What do you think? They look pretty awesome.
Oh, we love them.
Now, they would look good with orange if you just was lighting it up, but the reason why we did this, we put them on Govee lights, so we can actually change the colors. We can make them dance. They got Halloween settings. So if you don't have Govee lights, you need to get some, because we're telling you they're awesome.
Yeah,
they are a little expensive. You can catch them on sale on Amazon, though.
Yeah, check my link. We do have it to where they have like Halloween settings and stuff on there.
Yeah.
Here, I can give you guys a preview.
Yep.
All right, this is one of the Halloween settings that they have. I'll switch it off to another one. This is the second Halloween setting they have.
And I'm telling you, sitting here looking at it, the video does not do those justice.
No, not at all.
You can see those pumpkins like
the
really
faces,
good.
like you can't hardly see it. And well, there you go.
Yeah,
but I have to get close.
You can see them really good here, standing here looking at them.
All right, and we'll do the third video.
I don't like that one as good, I don't think. But
And this
that
is
is
the
a
third
Halloween
one.
setting, correct?
Yes, this is the third Halloween setting. Yeah, I don't really particularly like that one a lot. But
and you can also go to Govee and you can go in there and you can change like every other one to a certain color, and then the next one you can put your own color to them, correct?
yes, yes.
I
Yeah,
like that.
you can select whichever light you want on each individual light, whatever color that you want, and then play around with it. You can also dim it if you're worried about the lighting being too bright. You can dim it, or you can raise the lighting and actually put extra lighting in your area. So we're gonna go back to the regular one. All right, so we just turned them on, the regular orange. We selected all orange, and we dimmed them a little bit. And you can see it really doesn't affect any of our lighting out here. So there's a wide view. But I love it. They look so cute over our pumpkin patch.
All right, guys, that's it for today for our tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content. And have a happy Halloween.
Yes, thanks, guys.
Yeah.